Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make popcorn without a microwave. Let's go. Alright. And then just stir. Shouldn't even really take a very long time. Well, it's going. Alright, so as you can see, it's already started popping a little bit. Woo! They're going to start jumping out of there, which is why I recommend you have the cover. And there it goes. It didn't even take very long at all. I only stirred for like 2 minutes before the first pop came. Now it's a little popcorn party. Lots of cheesy popcorn. No microwave used. Woohoo! All you need is a little heat. There it goes. Let's see, I wonder if that's all of them. Well, finished product. Check it out. Give it a taste. It's pretty good. So the whole process took less than 4 minutes. I'm gonna go eat this now. Got every kernel in there. No microwave needed. I'm gonna go have it with a glass of wine.